Well, good morning, Niki. You are loaded up with technology that is designed to help us look and feel better. And interestingly enough, you're starting with facial therapy.
Yes, I have a device. It's called a Therabody facial gun. This is at bestbuy.ca. It retails for $5.49. It helps with things like lifting, smoothing out wrinkles, contouring, and even releasing migraines that you might have. And each head is interchangeable and it targets different areas of your face. There's things like a microcurrent, which gives a massage for your face and lifts. And there's LED lights, and there's also massage attachments. So I love this. Retails for $5.49 at bestbuy.ca.
Now, the word smart describes an electronic device that can interact with other devices or systems, which I get with like a TV or a refrigerator. But what do you get with a smart jump rope?
Yes, this is a smart jump rope. Essentially, this connects via Bluetooth to your phone. So it was designed by a pilot who actually wanted to help people meet their fitness goals wherever they might be. You can take this wherever you go, connect it to your phone, and it helps you track your reps and how long you're working out for. You can burn as many as 400 calories in 30 minutes. So this is something I'm going to start including in my fitness workout regime this year.
Well, that's interesting because one of the other pieces of tech, headphones, have actually become like a part of the workout outfit for lots of folks, not just for the audiophiles.
Yes, these are Sony noise canceling headphones. What I particularly love about them is they are leather, super comfortable when wearing, has active noise canceling technology. They retail for $4.99 at bestbuy.ca. And what I love about them is you can actually talk through them as well, and it will give you 30 hours of talk time. Whether you're at the gym, at home, you need some peace and quiet, comfortable, and really easy to use.
Okay, cool. Now we've got one more item, which is great. So we're putting all this effort to looking and feeling better and healthier, and plenty of folks have turned to using air fryers. My husband loves his, to keep like that healthy momentum at mealtime.
Yeah, an air fryer will help give you a healthy, nutritious meal that also is tasty, and it has a perfect crisp, similar to that of frying or deep frying, but without the bad oil and the bad effects that has on you. So this actually is dishwasher safe. You can put all your food in here. I put my parchment paper just to kind of keep it neat and tidy. And I cooked some potatoes, vegetables, meatballs the other day. They were so good, so cooked to the crisp. And I will say this will save 45% of your energy bill, which is what I love about it, because why run a whole oven when you can use this to cook your family's meal? Everything you see here listed at bestbuy.ca or Best Buy. This one retails for $2.99.
This is Niki Anastasakis talking a healthier approach on Talks Around Town. Thanks, Niki.
Thank you.
Talks Around Town with Niki Anastasakis. Follow her on Instagram at Niki Anna.